In the next thing we have the question that is English means rules or it requires only confidence of speaking.
It could be the combination of both, Ms. Khatsa. Reason is like if you are not familiar with the language rule and you thought that कि मैं मस्त सिर्फ एक होता है confidence, एक होता है over confidence. आपने देखा कि बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट ऐसे होते हैं वो गलत इंग्लिश इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलते हैं
That they are native speakers.
like they seem like to be a native speaker. तो उस चीज़ को ओवरकम करने के लिए आई थिंक इट्स अ कॉम्बो ऑफ बोथ. आपको लैंग्वेज रूल्स भी आने चाहिए. आप लैंग्वेज रूल्स को ब्रेक आउट नहीं कर सकते एंड यू मस्ट बी फेमिलियर विद वन मोर थिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइक confidence of speaking. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं they are familiar with the rules, they know everything, structure and each and everything, but they don't have enough confidence to speak in front of
anyone. They can't verbalize it.
They couldn't verbalize because they don't have enough confidence to speak in front of anyone. So I surely say it's a combination of both. You have to talk about like your confidence also. You must have enough thing to present yourself in front of all. Plus आपके अंदर इतनी courage भी होनी चाहिए कि आप at least
you can deliver your message.
सही भी बोल दो. That is very important.